Hi, Matapelo. Okay, maybe the starting point to elaborate on this point that you asked for is maybe to talk about the dangers of overthinking and the risks thereof. And then maybe the next one we can talk about the benefits, the positive things about it. And then another one we can talk about how to learn how not to overthink. Just a few things to note in terms of the dangers of overthinking. One, it delays decision making because obviously you take time now to think and things need to happen. Secondly, it consumes a lot of time as there is a lot of verifications and research that you need to do. And number three, often than not, you have to include other people in your business because you have to verify, you have to double check, you have to get the facts. So you have to involve now other people. Number four, let me think, there's a lot of pressure, for you to be right all the time. And it creates uncertainty even when there is none needed. And also your leadership, especially now for men who are overthinkers, your leadership will be compromised a lot because now somebody might have to make the decisions on your behalf, but at the same time, people might not trust you because when you take time, it might be equivalent to you not knowing, what needs to be done or the direction that needs to be taken. And then the other thing is, you are bound to be more negative than being positive in the process of your check balancing because you are given something that is positive, and for you to verify that, you have to think, your mind will go to the negative side of things. And the more you question is the more you come across as a negative person. And then the other thing is you can develop self-hate and develop low self-esteem when proven wrong after all the effort that you have invested in doing your check balancings. Over time, you may develop mental illness as well. And most overthinkers are very paranoid. They see things even when things are not there because you create them in your head. And then the last one is that it will affect your sleep, and ultimately it will affect your inner peace as a person. I hope this helps. And remember, this is Pastor X, and you can check me out on other platforms.